Are you looking for the best gaming speakers? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming speakers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech G560. The Logitech G560 is one of the best gaming speaker systems you can buy for your PC. It connects to your computer, console, or mobile device via USB or Bluetooth, providing either a completely wireless setup or a more reliable hardwired connection. The dual speakers and dedicated subwoofer offer up to 240 watts of peak power, producing up to 97 decibels of volume, so you can feel and hear deep bass tones and clear mid and high notes. The G560 also uses DTS-X Ultra Virtual Surround Sound to recreate spatial and positional audio, making it easier to pinpoint in-game sound cues. Additionally, the speakers work with Logitech's LIGHTSYNC RGB lighting system, allowing you to customize 4 lighting zones on each speaker with over 16 million colors. You can even set the RGB lighting to react to in-game audio such as music, gunfire, or explosions, adding a bit more visual flair to your Twitch streams or personal gaming sessions. Built-in LIGHTSYNC RGB lighting blasts game-driven lighting colors and effects activated by the audio in many popular games. Waterproof, no. Explosive 240 watts peak power and unique driver design deliver a huge soundscape for a heightened gaming experience. Integrated DTS-X Ultra Surround Sound renders 3D positional audio so you hear your gaming environment from every angle. Easily customize 4-speaker lighting zones with Logitech family software for both front and rear light projection in your choice of 16.8 million colors. Number 2. Creative Labs Pebble. The Pebble by Creative Labs is an excellent choice if you're looking for seriously budget-friendly speakers for gaming on your PC, laptop, or mobile device. For under $20, you'll get a pair of 4.4-watt speakers with 2-inch drivers and passive bass radiators to help enhance your computer's native audio. The compact design makes them an ideal option for laptop gamers, as they can easily fit inside a tote, backpack, or laptop bag, and they don't require a ton of desk space. The Pebble is also plug-and-play, which means that you won't have to wait for dedicated drivers to download and install, and it also means that these speakers can be used with Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android devices. Single USB cable for computers and laptops. Enjoy a hassle-free audio experience with a single USB cable without the need for a power adapter. Far-field drivers and passive radiators. Custom-tuned far-field driver solution with rear-facing passive radiators for excellent audio and enhanced bass reproduction. 45 degrees elevated drivers for enhanced audio projection and an immersive personal listening experience. Number 3. SteelSeries Arena 9. If you're looking to invest in a high-end, dedicated gaming speaker system, the SteelSeries Arena 9 is an excellent option. It uses a combination of wired and wireless speakers, along with a dedicated subwoofer, to provide 5.1 CH true surround sound for your gaming space. The rear speakers are wireless, giving you plenty of freedom to create custom configurations, while the wired speakers provide precise delivery of high and mid tones. The 6.5-inch subwoofer has a downward-firing diaphragm, directing those powerful bass notes into the floor so you can feel as much as hear them. A separate control pod lets you easily adjust volume, create custom EQ settings, switch connection options, and more. The OLED screen creates crystal-clear text so you never have to use trial and error to know what each function is. You can connect the Arena 9 to your Windows or Mac PC, PlayStation 5, or Xbox Series X via USB or Bluetooth, while the 3.5mm AUX and optical cables allow you to connect to mobile devices and televisions. 5.1 Surround Sound. Bring award-winning sound to your gaming space in an innovative, true 5.1 surround system over a single USB connection on PC. Immerse yourself with 2 front and 2 rear speakers, dedicated channel speaker, and a subwoofer. Wireless rear speakers. Wall-mountable rear speakers connect wirelessly to the subwoofer, removing a need for cables crossing the gaming space. High-performance speakers. Separate silk dome tweeters and organic fiber woofers enhance detail and precision across mid and high frequencies for immersive sound quality. A 6.5-inch subwoofer emits thundering, deep bass. Number 4. Vizio 2.1 CH Soundbar. For gamers who prefer consoles over PCs, the Vizio 2.1 CH Soundbar is an excellent way to enhance your TV's integrated speakers for a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience. The soundbar comes with a dedicated wireless subwoofer for deep bass notes, while the soundbar itself handles the mid and high tones. The Vizio soundbar uses DTS Virtual-X audio processing for cleaner, clearer sound, ensuring you'll never miss a word of dialogue or in-game audio cue. If you use the 4K HDMI pass-through option, the soundbar supports Dolby Atmos virtual surround sound if your TV is capable of it. You can also use Alexa, Hey Google, or Siri for hands-free voice controls over your TV and connected consoles. This way, you can power on consoles, launch apps like Twitch and YouTube for walkthrough videos or Let's Plays, adjust volume, and more without having to hunt down a remote. America's #1 soundbar Vizio has been filling homes with truly immersive audio for over 10 years, and our soundbars just keep getting better. We are proud to provide our customers with top-tier audio products that bring movies, shows, podcasts, music, and more to life like never before. #1 soundbar brand in 1H 2022 source, the NPD Group/Retail Tracking Service, US, based on units, January-June 2022 combined. Number 5. Razer Leviathan V2 X. For gamers who want a speaker that looks as good as it sounds, the Razer Leviathan V2 X combines a compact design, customizable RGB lighting, and personalized EQ settings to create a more immersive experience. You can connect the Leviathan V2 X to your computer or console via Bluetooth or USB-C, letting you choose between a clean, wireless setup or a more reliable wired connection when needed. If you choose a Bluetooth connection, you can set up multiple devices and switch between them on the fly with the Razer Audio app. The Audio app also lets you create custom EQ profiles to suit different game genres, as well as music and voice chat. You can use the Razer Synapse desktop app to customize the RGB lighting as well. The 14 lighting zones can be customized with one of Razer's pre-programmed color and pattern schemes, or set to react to in-game audio and music, adding more visual flair to personal gaming sessions or live streams.